Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look. As you guys can tell, the look is very simple and super stunning as well. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette to create this look. It's one of our mini eyeshadow palettes. Also, I'm going to be getting my transitional shade from I'm going to be using the transitional shade from the Color Pop Cosmetics palette. So yeah, I used the brown shade from that palette as my transitional shade and blend that inwards towards my inner corner. And yeah, I made sure that that was dark enough for me to, be able to go on with the next shade. So yeah, more like a smoky eye look, but with a pop of color. It's summer, guys. We want to look amazing, and you want to give that, you know, gorgeous look a try. If you want to do that, just feel free to go ahead. So this is the palette. I used the light green shade from that palette, which is one of my favorite shade from that palette. Look at that. The pigmentation is amazing. Look at that. Just one swipe and that's it. And I, blend that outward, and yeah, basically that's the high makeup done. And yeah, I went back to that palette again and took the similar shade from the other one, which is like a light navy green, and then applied my elf liquid liner. Voila, the eye makeup is done. Very simple, very straightforward. And I applied my lashes by Veyelash. Look at that. This is one of my favorite lashes, guys. If you haven't, get your hands on one of these lashes. I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. It has 30 different styles, 30 eyeshadows in the package, and you also get free shipping for spending $15 on their website. So yeah, that's US only though. So use my code to get money off your shopping. I'll leave the details in the description box below. So for my face, I was actually going for a very lightweight makeup look, and as you can tell, I went for a light coverage foundation. It's not foundation really. I think it's actually a what are they called again? It's a very lightweight, foundation. It's not foundation. I forgot what they're called. So anyway, I use the Huda Beauty concealer and then blend that in. Then applied my contour. Easy peasy by Clinique. And then yeah, my contour has been the same. Contour my face has been the same process all this while. I don't know if it's just I just kept doing the same. Well, but that's how that's what I feel comfortable doing. So yeah, and it works for me. So I'm not ready to change it yet, but so far so good. I changed the products that I use, which is what really matters for me. And yeah, I love this powder by Laura Mercier, the honey shade. Gosh, I don't think I can use any other setting powder unless you guys have anyone that you can recommend. I would love to try, but this is my go-to. I set my face with the Pixie Beauty setting spray and then applied my favorite blush, which is an eyeshadow by Jovial Pace Palace. This shade, orange shade, just gives what it's supposed to give for me. So I always use this as a blush, even though it's an eyeshadow. So I highlighted my face using the elf highlighter. It's a cream highlighter and it's one of my favorite, even though it's a drugstore. And it's really nice. It blends in smoothly and give that gorgeous skin glow. Like the glow from within, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then I went in with my lip pen by LA Colors. I think they discontinued the pen, but it's one of my favorites. So yeah, and then the gloss by Maybelline. It's called Maybelline Gloss Me, but I can't remember the shade that I used in this video. But yeah, it's a nude beige shade. So yeah, the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling this look? Because I am feeling this look, and my hair is giving what it's supposed to give. So, did you guys enjoy it? If you did, feel free to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.